All right, Jake with Bond Performance here. If the setup looks familiar, it's because I just shot a video for the 150,000 mile review. But right now we're going to talk about the leaky oil pan round 2. So I feel like it's a pretty common theme that guys will upgrade or maintenance replace their pan with the stamped steel for a little extra protection versus the factory composite. And seems like it's a pretty common theme to have some drippy drips coming into the scenario about a year later, which I would have to look. It might have been more than a year for me. But yeah, she's a little wet. So I was talking to Stealth GTI about it the other day. I guess it was probably a month ago, and he had the same instance. And he said that he actually found that his bolts were starting to loosen up a little bit. I guess just heat cycling and naturally kind of oily environment that they're in. So I actually haven't touched them yet. I'm going to do that on film and see if any of them are loose. And if they are, I don't know that I'll do it right now, but over there on the Shelfo parts, I've got a Tiguan actual gasket instead of RTV that I may throw on there. I suspect that if it's not loose hardware, that maybe I didn't let the residual oil drip long enough before applying the new sealant, which may have contaminated it. It was leak free for about a year prior to it starting to leak though, so who knows? It could just be bad luck. Could be not my fault or the design of the pan. It could just be, you know, shit happens. So I'm gonna pull this belly pan off and then we'll throw a wrench on there and see if any of those bolts are loose. So there is a torque spec for this, but being a professional mechanic, I'm just gonna kind of go by feel. And it looks like I'm the problem here because they're all tight. Got a little bit of a turn on that. May have spoke too soon. You don't want to gorilla torque these, by the way, because their upper oil pan is cast aluminum, and you'll be what we call in a world of shit. If you strip them out, you'll be drilling oversize and doing a helicoil repair. So yeah, it looks like they were all pretty good. Just barely loose on a couple of them. Surprised to have oil leaking from the front and the rear. So it looks like that's a sealant failure to me. So here's that Tiguan steel pan gasket that I was talking about. I would assume that's the part number there, but this just came from Rock Auto. It was like 15 bucks or so. Not a big deal. I'm not going to show me doing that today. I'm actually not going to do it today at all. I'm going to rotate the tires and put that belly pan cover back on and drive it to work tomorrow. Don't really feel like messing with it, but I did want to at least see if the quick and easy fix was going to be a thing, and it's not, of course. Story of doing stuff. So I may do a follow-up video with this. Might just be a review on whether or not that was the correct fix or not. But like I said, I believe that I should have let it drip like a full 24 hours or at minimum 12 hours after taking the factory pan off. If you watch that video, it dripped and we cleaned it up some, slapped the pan on, and then we let the sealant cure for 24 hours before driving it, which is another way to screw that up if you just hop in it and drive it before the sealant's fully cured. I want to say it's just as bad to contaminate by letting it drip into it as it is to drive it too soon. So we're going to go round 2.5 on that and actually fix it in the next video. But until then, I'll probably post it and you guys will just have to wait and see. All right, thanks for watching.